What's up, boys? We're at Disco Dance. Yeah, I just inspected my car and got it all legal, and also got the driver bracelet, so we're all ready to go. And I just realized I haven't really filmed fixing of this thing, but I have all new polyurethane bushings in the front. I have the oil cooler on, I got the fan shroud, got basically everything. We also installed a firewall since I run a fuel cell in the back, and the car's all good, ready to go. We test drive it a bunch outside the shop, and it seems to be working all right. It's a little bit high in the temps and the coolant, so we just hope that that works out good, that no leaks or anything. Let's check out what kind of cars are here to drive. This is a friend's S13 SR20 with like 600 horsepower. My friend's E30. I don't really know what kind of horsepower he runs by now, but it's like 800 or so. Pretty sick build. We got my mate Axel's yellow S14 with M104 Mercedes engine. Both Magnus American V8.
Bra med något drivaxelbyte idag då.
We also have Henke with the side-by-side. And he's going to try and drift this thing. I heard he had installed a hydro e-brake and put some regular tires on. So this S13 is really sick. It's got some LS engine, I think, and shit. And I think we're about 18 drivers or so. At least 18 drivers have bought the pre-bought tickets, but there could be more showing up. And there's also a car show over here, which I'll probably go and film later when all of the car show people have arrived. Looks pretty good, to be honest. I'm really looking forward to driving again. I haven't been drifting in ages. As you guys might know, it's been like since I think 2018 was the last time I drove. So I'm really stoked to be driving again. And we have the drivers meeting real soon, so I have to go. And it's started to rain a bunch, so I'll see you guys soon. So we went out for the first 3 laps with the car. Unfortunately it's a little bit hot, as I thought. I had like 102 degrees C in the car when I went into the pits after my 3rd lap. But we removed the hood and also the grill, so hopefully that helps a bunch with the heat issues. I don't really know what it is, but if the car works for 3 laps at a time, I'm okay with that. Now it's lunch and there's a bunch of people there. So really cool for this many people to be at an event in the northern parts of Sweden. show you guys all the cars at the show. So like especially for a car show up here, there's a lot of cool cars here. So this event is basically the sickest I've ever went to up here at least. And we're still a bunch of cars driving, having fun. The quality of the cars in the show is actually like so good, and we're getting a bunch of driving in, and it's just very nice. It's hard to film while riding this thing. I just realized I haven't even showed this thing on YouTube, but it's a stupid one-wheel thing. It goes 45 kilometers per hour. There's just so much stuff going on. I had trouble to cover the event, especially when I'm a driver myself, but I bet people will make like really good YouTube videos of this anyway, so I guess that doesn't really matter, but we're having a blast. So we're on a mission to go buy some stickers. Dude, why is this camera so dark? I can't even see my face. I guess it is because it's pointed right at the sun, but right now we're on the one wheel. We're going to grab some stickers, and after that there's like, right now there's like an hour and a half left of driving. Oh shit, dude, this is sketchy ass. But anyway, after that we have like maybe an hour and a half left of driving, so I have to go drive maybe 1 or 2 times more, and then we're done for the day. But solid ass day. Jim, if you're watching this, very nice, very nice. Dude, I'm telling you, having like some sort of pit vehicle at one of these events, so nice. I'm just fucking sliding around the whole property, so there's quite a long way from the pits to where they sell the stickers at. So it's really nice. I had the one wheel, you know. I got this mighty fine Jim Olofsson sticker, very nice. Yo boys, forgot to film an outro for this one, and the camera's all out of battery, but I haven't uploaded in a while and I want to get this video up, so I'm recording this on my phone. Probably looks like shit, but you guys will get the video out, so that's good anyway. Disco dance was so fun, so nice to be driving again, like first time in 4 years. So just so nice. The car worked great. We had some very minor issues which we need to fix, but it's drivable for sure, and we'll be doing more drifting this summer. I didn't even use up, I used up one tire that whole day, and I was driving a bunch. So really nice time there, really fun meeting all the people at Disco Dance, and I do hope this event stays on for next year as well. It's really fun, something cool is happening here in the north of Sweden. So I'm stoked. I hope you boys liked the video. And if you stayed this late, I'm just going to say this, just going to drop this out there. The next 2 videos that I post on this channel are going to be freaking nutty. Shit's been going down, so yeah, look forward, or maybe not, it kind of depends. But you guys will just have to see it. So leave a like on this video, comment something down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and stay stoked, because the next 2 videos are going to be freaking nutty, boy. Hell yeah. See you guys soon.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the